Today we're looking at the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 four-wheel drive custom crew in a Summit White. This one's powered by a 6.6 liter V8 with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Stepping on inside, we have our jet black cloth interior with our power adjustable driver's front seat. Moving on inside, we have our infotainment system with built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can find our climate controls just below that, as well as we do have a USB-C and USB charge port, an AC outlet, and of course, trailer brake settings. This vehicle is also equipped with a push to start, as well as keyless entry and remote start. Making our way to the middle, you'll find our console, plenty of storage inside, 2 cup holders, cubbies here, but also turns into a third seat when needed for any extra passengers. Making our way to the driver's side door here, you'll find our automatic power windows, as well as our adjustable side mirrors. Up by the handle, you'll find our power locks. Over here, you find our drive modes, as well as our automatic high beams. Park brake here. And moving on to the steering wheel, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as this vehicle is equipped with front pedestrian braking, forward collision alert, and lane departure warning. When reversing, we do also have a rear view camera in the back. Heading onto the back, we still have our cloth interior. In the middle, you'll find our 2 vents, as well as a USB-C and USB charge port. Also behind each front seat, there is cubbies for extra storage. Taking a look at the exterior here on our Silverado, we have our black Chevy bow tie in the middle, with our black grille as well as our black tow hooks. We also have our LED reflected headlamps. And making our way down to the tires, we have our 20-inch aluminum rims on Goodyear tires, our adjustable side mirrors with our black running boards and black handles. Making our way to the back here, we do have our assisted steps by the rear passenger door and our corner steps here as well. We also have our multi-pro tailgate. Top one gets you down about halfway. If you want the whole thing, push the second one, hands-free, no problem, with our spray and bed liner, and of course, 120 volt outlet here on the right hand corner. And that is our 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 custom in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help you with any questions you may have.